Hey YouTube viewers, what I'm going to talk to you about today is not a history's mystery, but is about YouTube. I've run this channel, Prof Simon, since January 2018 and have made over 98 films. If you look at the statistics, they're pretty good. I've had 2,819,000 minutes of my material that I've created viewed by YouTube viewers. Fantastic. That's 491,000 individual views of the film. Sounds good until you realize that YouTube have paid me $35.98. But in fact, they haven't. They've actually paid me nothing because I live in Europe. There's a minimum money change of $70, so I get nothing. Plus they would charge me 4% if they ever sent me the money. I have worked in broadcast television all my life, and YouTube, Netflix, Amazon are the new broadcasters, and they're just not paying their creative talent. So I think I might have just got it wrong. I don't think that people really want interesting content. I think what you really want when you watch a YouTube channel is personality. Now, I'm interesting enough, but maybe I should learn a few tips from my favorite channels. Well, gentlemen, welcome back to the shop. We have the wonderful Bosch Ripper tool. What we're going to look at? Chinesium trap. Oh, plastic. Let me get a hammer. Not skookum. Hey there viewers, and welcome back to South Park Auto. This might be another way of making money off YouTube. Just get my scope on a rope, give it a few love taps, and look, that's your problem, lady. And remember viewers, if I can make money on YouTube, you can. Hey, and welcome back there viewers. Let's see what we have on today's free pile. Oh, it's another motorbike. I think it is what it is. Well, thanks for watching, and you must be good. It seems the other way to make money out of YouTube is to talk in a really silly voice. I can make up stories about people who see things at night, and you never know what they are. And I can use stock images which don't actually go with the story. I always wonder how this guy goes down to the pub and orders a pint of beer and a packet of crisps. I'm sure he gets punched in the face. And welcome back to the new channel that's just a cutting board. And here's my multimeter. As you can see, clearly. Oh, focus you. And what you need is a doll's leg and a piece of wire. And you shove the wire in the doll's leg. Oh, I wonder what voltage the wire is. Oh man. And here's my elk. And here's my cow. And here's the pig. All we have to do now is set the guys on fire. Wow!